So there's that situation right now going on Amazon, with Amazon regaining a ton of brands, Nike, Adidas, Puma, no, not Puma, I haven't seen Puma, Oka shoes, like a lot of brands that a lot of people sell a lot, and a lot of brands that are the whole business of a lot of people. And to be honest, you guys, a lot of you guys on Twitter should be ashamed, because a lot of you guys are bitches on Twitter, crying, bitching about the fact that brands are being regated. And by the way, what I'm not saying is that what Amazon is doing is right. It's absolutely not right. What Amazon is doing is absolutely not right. They should not do stuff like that, right? Amazon is spitting on the face on a lot of sellers, all that stuff. But a lot of you guys are acting like bitches and are losing your dignity on Amazon, on Twitter. I'm sorry, on Amazon Twitter. Stop being bitches and crying about it, right? I've been saying it for a long time. One of the biggest things, and I recorded a video a couple of days ago about that, but one of the main things that you absolutely need to be able to do when you are an entrepreneur, not just with Amazon, but when you are an entrepreneur, is pivot when things change, because markets are going to change all the time, okay? It's the essence of being in business. And a lot of you guys are crying like bitches on Twitter, bitching about the fact that, oh, I had a seven-figure business, everything is done. No, your business is not done. You can just sell other products, okay? It's just a couple of brands being restricted. You can definitely sell a lot of other products. Stop acting like bitches, and it shows. It shows that, and I'm sorry, I'm pissed off a little bit, because I hate it when I see people bitching on Twitter all the time. But like, it shows that a lot of you guys on Twitter that scaled did it by pure luck. You were just at the right time, because I'm telling you, like, this business is so easy that everybody can be successful with this business model. You just need to be at the right time, at the right place at the right time. So you need to know about this business, about online arbitrage and all that stuff. Start it and have capital to invest with credit cards or whatever, okay? Have good credit, or have work on your credit a little bit, and you can become a seven-figure seller. It's not that difficult. I'm telling you, it's not that difficult. And it just shows that a lot of you guys were at the right place at the right time, and you guys were just lucky. And you're not going to last in business because you keep bitching about stuff on Twitter. Yes, what Amazon did is not right. Yes, that's fine, but it shows that you never went through hard shit in your life, because I'm telling you, it's not hard at all. What you're going through right now is not hard at all. Yes, it's upsetting. Of course, it's upsetting, but you can just pivot. You can just start selling other products, okay? Your account is not suspended, because you could have lost your account with Amazon locking your money for 6 months, looking all your inventory, and then sending back your inventory. It could have been way worse, knock on wood. It could have been way, way, way worse. And you guys are crying. It really shows that a lot of you guys actually got successful by luck. It was 100% luck, all right, with Amazon, because it's one of the easiest business that you can start. I'm not going to lie. It's one of the easiest business that I've run in my life, all right? It's the easiest thing that I've done in my life. It's the easiest business I've ever done, right? It showed that it's showing that you succeed by luck, and that you are going to fail eventually. And so there's a big opportunity right now. It's still the gold rush. It's still a gold rush, because a lot of dumb guys are going to give up on this business, right? Because they're going to say that it's too risky, all that shit. At the end of the day, it's not. Stop being a bitch. What you need to do is really easy. Just get rid of your inventory on some other marketplace, right? You can probably do it at cost, and you can probably make a profit doing it on eBay, Walmart Marketplace, Poshmark, whatever. Locally, you can get rid of your inventory if you can get rid of your inventory at cost, you're good. And that's why I've said, do not be over leveraged with credit cards, because it's on you. I mean, it's on you. You're really dumb if you did it this way. No. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, it could have been way worse, as I said. You can still sell. You can just start selling other products. There are so many products that you can sell on Amazon. It's not the end of the world if you cannot sell Nike anymore, if you cannot sell Adidas anymore, if you cannot sell Oka. Stop acting like a bitch and crying on Twitter all the time. Stop doing that, right? You're a grown man. If you went through college, or even if you're in college, you're a grown man. Start responsibilizing yourself. You're good. You just need to pivot. You just need to start selling another product. That's literally it. Start selling other brands. Start selling other categories. Why are you crying like a bitch? What Amazon did is not right, but at the end of the day, if this is what they want to do, they'll do it. There's nothing that you can do about it. What are you going to do about it? Nothing. There's nothing that you can do about it. So and you need to realize that. At the end of the day, and this is what actually pissed me off. This is what actually pissed me off. Why are like they have the right to do whatever they want, and you need to understand that they have the right to. It's not right. It's fucked up, but they have the right to do whatever they want. Okay, and Amazon is always going to treat you like shit. Okay, so either you start doing something else or you just adapt. That's it. And there's still a lot of money to be made. You just need to adapt. And if you don't want to adapt, thanks, because there's going to be less competition. All right, there's going to be less dumb guys actually tanking listings. And if we're talking about this shit, about tanking listings and all that stuff, right? Let's go quickly look at some Nike listings, because a lot of you guys are really, really dumb. We are going to look at this together, and I showed this on well, I was live a couple of days ago, and I showed this. Let's look at a couple of Nike listings, right? Let's look at this shit right there. All right, let's look at this shit. Why would you? And thank God you guys got restricted, because what you did was really, really dumb. I mean, you can get these for $10.99 sometimes. Most of the time, you're going to find them at $12.99, right? I'm not going to give you the whole game plan, but you can do this, all right? 26 is still good, but like, yeah, it's FP. Like, why the fuck would you sell this at 24 FPA? And I like you guys need to like, because there's not that much competition. It is selling okay fast, right? So you guys don't know to run this business at all. Like, thank God you guys got restricted, because you guys need to get the fuck out of Amazon. Like, whatever you're doing, like, you have no idea how to run a business. Like, what you're doing is actually really, really dumb. And there's a ton of other of better examples. There's listings where you guys are really, really acting dumb, because I'm not gonna lie, Nike socks is a great way to make money. You see a lot of people talking trash about Nike socks online. Nike socks, you can make a lot of easy money with. Like, you can make easy money with Nike socks, right? So why would you, like, it was selling decently fast, right? It was selling 20,000 a month. It slowed down right there because it got split, I believe, but it's coming back, right? So I could understand, right? I couldn't understand, because I know that it's only Nike, like, it's Nike socks sellers that keep bitching, right? Because it's so easy to make money with Nike socks that's what they do. Let's look at this listing, right? I'm going to find an example that I want to talk to you guys about, right? So yeah, there's some, yeah, right there. Like, I'm not going to be able to find them, but there's some listing where people sell at $30, FBA sells at $30, and for whatever reason, FBM sells at 24. You don't need to sell at 24. You can sell at 28 and get the buy box, but there's a damn guy actually trying to sell at 24 that fucks up the listing, right? It's actually really, 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 really dumb. I'm sorry, but it actually is, right? It's actually really dumb. So yeah, thank God that some of you guys are going to give up, because you guys are bitches. You do not deserve to be in business. I'm going to tell you straight up, a lot of you bitches do not deserve this opportunity, okay? It's still a great opportunity. Amazon is still a great opportunity to make a ton of money, right? A lot of you guys do not deserve it because you guys are bitches. Thank God it's starting to be a little bit harder, because it was too easy. It was definitely too easy. It's way too easy to make money on Amazon. And it needs to be harder, because you guys need to understand. Because you guys start making a little bit of money, and then you start bragging on Twitter and talking bad about other people on Twitter, okay? You guys are bitches, all right? Yeah, just tough. Just you need to get tougher. That's it. Like, I mean, this business is still easy as fuck. You just need to get tougher. Stop bitching about it. Start selling other products. Okay? There's a ton of other products on Amazon. Yeah, literally, like, right? Let's go to the Keeper Products Finder. All right. Let's go to the Keeper Products Finder, and let's look at how many products. Let's go to the text field. Right. We're going to remove Nike. We're going to remove Adidas, and we're going to remove Oka, right? We still have, oh, and I need to put the negative sign right here. Here we go. You still have 1 billion products to look at. Why are you bitching about? There's 1 billion products that you can potentially sell. All right, let's dive a little bit deeper. Let's look at products that have at least 10 offers, right? Let's go to the new offer count, which is going to be new offer, right? Let's look at the products with 10 offers, okay? You have 3 million products with at least 10 offers. How many sellers are on Amazon? let's check real quick, right? You have 2.3 million sellers, right, that are active. A lot of them are private label sellers, right? You have 3 million products that have at least 10 sellers on them, and that are not Nike, Puma, or Oka shoes, right? I mean, yeah, there's a ton of opportunities. Like, you can jump on a few of these listings, you'll make money, all right? And there's actually way more opportunities than 3 million products, all right? Whether it is with wholesale or and let's look at this actually. Let's look at fast selling stuff, all right? 20,000 sales rank. You have 2 million products with a 20,000 sales rank with, oh, actually, I'm sorry, it's the opposite. I want it to be the opposite. Here we go. 20,000 sales rank. You have 134,000 products that are 20,000 sales rank or below, and that are potentially arbitrageable because they have at least 10 people on them, right? Let's look at a couple of them. Because you guys piss me up, I'm not going to buy like Hanes. And there's a lot of Hanes products right now that are selling really, really fast, right? Maybe something that you can look at. iPhones, probably not. Stanley Cup, you can sell Stanley Cup if you want. You can still make money with some Stanley Cup. Might be a good idea to look at Hanes hoodies. Celsius, I don't know. Yeah, Amazon is selling on them. But there's a ton of opportunities. Stop bitching. Like, there are so many opportunities. Let's go a few more page. You can sell Pampers, diapers. You can sell, like, there's so much stuff to sell. Like, stop bitching. Like, just look at this. Look at this. Hasbro. You might be restricted though, and Amazon is on it. But yeah, there are so many products that you can look at. Stop bitching. Just stop bitching. You'll be good. All right. So hopefully this video was helpful. Just subscribe. Just stop being a bitch. All right. And you'll be good. All right. Thank you.